This is a tutorial for the Christmas song Jolly Old St. Nicholas, this time as a piano accompanist. So we'll be playing the chord in the right hand this time, and the root note of the chord down low is a bass note. So I'm pretty much going to try to keep the melody note on the top of the chord here. Some of these chords are inverted, some of them are root position. We'll start with a G chord there on the first chord, D, G, B, like that. Jolly old St. Nicholas. There's a root position on the D chord, D, F sharp, and A. And then we're going to do this as inverted for the E minor to keep that G on the top. So it's B, E, and G. Lean your ear this way. I'm going to do that one root position, the B minor, B, D, and F sharp. And C chord like that, G, C, E. Don't you tell a single soul. That will keep the G chord with the D on the top, G, B, D, single soul. Lift your hand up and put that D chord in up here again. D, F sharp, A. What I'm going to say, Christmas Eve, that keeps the B note on the top, D, G, B. Christmas Eve is coming soon. There's root position on the D, D, F sharp, A. E minor, that's inverted, B, E, G, G, that keeps your melody note on top, E minor. Now you dear old man, B minor, B, D, F sharp, C, whisper, G, C, E, whisper what you'll bring to me, G, B, D. Tell me, D, D, that's her position on the D chord. Tell me if you can, B, D, G. You generally want to keep your melody note on the top of the chord just to bring that melody note out. Then all we have to do is add our root note down low. And you know, you can play if you're playing a C chord, you could play a C note there, but you could also go down here. If you've got a D chord here, I kind of like it down low, or you can alternate that, but I'm gonna do what I feel like here. This is what you get to do when you're playing like this with chords. So this is what it sounds like when you put it together. Jolly old St. Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now you dear old man, whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. Now you can, because I'm a little bit more advanced than most of you, I will sometimes just throw in whatever rhythm I want by doing broken chords. When you're playing a chord, you can play the notes together or you can play them separately in a pattern. I'll play this more like what I would normally do. Jolly old St. Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now you dear old man, whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. Now most of the people who play like that on the piano, if you ask them what they did, they would be annoyed because they don't know what they did, but they know they used the notes of the chord, and I'm the same way. So that's Jolly Old St. Nicholas.